Hey friends, if your Windows computer shuts down when playing videos or watching uh, any video, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So, first of all, check if the system fan is being obstructed. Now, I'll explain this thing. If your system is in normal use, even if the fan is slow, even if it doesn't have a proper vent, it will work fine because usually your system will not need as many system resources. But when you're playing videos, then it will need a lot of resources. Okay, so you can check if the system fan is being obstructed and remove that obstruction if needed. The next one is to update the graphics card drivers. Okay, so search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select update driver. Right click on the second one and select update driver. The next one is to perform a clean boot on your system. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then finally restart your computer. And the last one is to check the disk usage. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. The disk usage is shown here. If it is shooting up to nearly 100%, then you will have to shut down the program causing high CPU usage. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.